G'day and welcome back to Shaving Down Under, and we have another unboxing. Took 3 attempts to deliver over 3 days, but I finally got it, and this one has come all the way from Canada, from Ryan at Tallow and Steel. Let's get straight on in. Now, David, one of my subscribers, keep an eye out for this video, what's inside this box, because you mentioned something a while back that I should get, maybe different to this. We may have something in here. Rightio. A note. What do we have going here? I'm not sure what this is. Okay, well, I did buy 2 things and there's 4. Let's go with this one. This feels like a bottle, and it is. Oh my God. Spice Fougere aftershave, Tallow and Steel. Ryan, this is fantastic. Interesting scent. I wasn't expecting this. So this is a bonus to this unboxing video. Isn't this stuff cool? The paper, how they've cut it. Here's the soap. Let's get this dust off. Let's open her up. Wow. Right, well, you'll see. I'll review this soap before you get to see this unboxing video. Let's just keep that on screen. So, wow, thank you so much, Ryan. Thank you so much. I can't wait to try that. Let's go with this bad boy first. Maybe I should use the scissors. I can still smell that scent. That's good. I like a strong scented perfume or aftershave or soap. Ooh, yeah. Take you out. And it opens up. And a popular. These are pretty cool. I've only just started getting these, collecting these. That's this. I think this is the second one I've got. That's the weird thing about these. They open up. See the big, I'll hold that together, that big gap there. They just, the doors don't open up by themselves. You just got to give it a bit of a flick. The other thing I've learnt about these English Gillettes is the gold plating is not very good. Not hardy at all. So a lot of the gold ones, the plating is gone. You can see it around the neck there, down here, up on the top. But this is still a beautiful addition to my collection. Couldn't say no. And we have a little bit of paperwork to go with it. Nice. Right, David. This is where you come into it, mate. So what we have here is a Gillette. Look at that case. Look at that case. That's amazing. All the printing on it still intact. Wow. Let's open it up. To handle with care. So David, you said I needed a better looking, classier knife than this bad boy. And what we've got here, the Gillette scalpel. So I don't know how it'll go opening boxes, but we'll give it a go. And I've been thinking about buying one of these for a while, and I've finally done it. This is the second one I've bought. The other one I've got is sitting in America, but that doesn't have a case. Let's put it back in there. And let's have a look at this. Look at these blades. My God. Look sharp. Let's see if there's a spare bit of paper. Doesn't feel like it. Oh, we'll place 2 in there. Gently, carefully. So what I will do is look out for another box of these, a box that hasn't been opened. Office knife blade. What a deadly office knife. Alright, let's put you away. So David, keep an eye out because I'll be using this knife on my next couple of unboxings. Let's put this back in here. Whoops. So there we have it. Well, I hope you enjoyed. I'll just move that over. Sorry about that. Hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you found it interesting. And I'm looking forward to doing a shave review for tallow and steel for Ryan Soap. I'll be in contact, Ryan. No worries. Thank you very much. And we'll chat to you all soon. Ciao for now.